Hey guys, welcome back to another video and let's talk about situation with Opendoor stock and what we can see here plus 79% in one day. Wow, and price has been reached to the $10. The first goal has been reached already. Like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Here the price chart, we can see the history. So look on this, the crash, and then go pump, skyrocketing and coming here. Look, there is a vertical pump, and of course it is extreme grid. Yes, it's extreme grid. About analysis rating is sell, and 1 year price target is minus 90%. But I am not waiting for $1 already. Maybe it could be crushed minus 50%. Okay, no problem, it could crash to the minus 33% or even 40 or maybe 50, but I don't know actually. But minus 31% of crash, it could be realistic to closing this gap here. In the beginning of my video, the post market was being $10.30, and right now the price goes down less than $10. But again, it's come to the $10, and this stock is pretty high volatile and it's still trading in post market at the moment. If I go to the 5 minute time frame, it is better visible the price chart growing process. Now let's see this in the 1 minute time frame, and you can see what happens. So the price comes here to the 5.85 and then pump up to the 7.40, and then the growing process continues like this and moving like this, and the price right now is like this. After a while we can see the crash, and there is a $10 and crash minus almost 5% at the moment. Of course, people are search for Opendoor stock. 50,000 search in 23 hours ago, and it's in United States. Of course, the price become again 10.07. So the price target has been reached on this goal, the point of listing in the initial price of listing. And then the next goal, in my opinion, is $24, and after a while let's reach to here at $38. Okay, let's make another goals, and okay, let's make it 14.85. It could be the next goal. And what the next one? Let's make goal here at $29 or 28. Okay, and the last one here is $38, but there is possibility to make another goals for this stock. So for example, around $50, like 48, then 57, 57. Okay, let's stop here now and let's see how much could grow. The only time will show us how much will grow open stock actually. Let's check out the news about Opendoor stock. In Fortune, it's written here, Opendoor brings back its Founders Plus, a new CEO from Shopify who could earn 2.8 billion if he sends the stock soaring. So changing the new CEO is not affect the price actually, because the big price movers are big funds, the top multiple holders, in my opinion, and top institutional holders. Not in the news that they are saying the new CEO change or something else. The next one, let's see this one. Opendoor stock closes 78% higher after company names new CEO. Again, they are talking about new CEO. Key points: Opendoor named former Shopify executive Gaz Najan as CEO. CEO founder, co-founder Kate Robis will rejoin the company as chairman of the board. Former CEO Carrie Wheeler resigned last month following a pressure campaign from investors. Here in this article we can see Opendoor stock minus 4% in post market, open house from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. By the way, you can read all this information if you want. They are showing the price like this. Let's go forward. Opendoor stock soars more than 75%. Again, the same thing is here. Shopify CEO hired to lead company. Of course, because the price has grown because of this, of course. Anyways, here are information. I will leave the link down below. Come back here. The price of post market is already 10.19. In my last video I recommended to buy Synopsis at price like here like $400 or maybe 398, and after a while the price recovers back, recovers how much recovers. You can come here and look. After crash the price has been already recovered back from this point to this point. It's okay. Let's see here, almost 15% recovery. Let's open the 1 minute time frame. Okay, 2 minute time frame, and we can see there is no crash, and here is a gap, and it's recovered price like this. That's it. So 5 days ago I made a video about Opendoor stock and the price 6.65. I said that it is possible to reach $10.73, and we successfully reached to that point. I have seen it in momentum. In the post market we have reached around 10.83, but right now it's almost 10.73. By the way, now it's 10.12. So if you want, you can start sell one of the part of your position. For example, you can sell 25% of your position if you invest it in the early stages, like less than $1, $1 or less than $1. You can sell if it's enough for you. If this profit if is enough for you, then you can start selling step by step. For example, you are selling 25% of your position in current one, and after a while when the price will reach here or here, you will sell your next 25%, and after a while here again you sell 25% or 50% of your position, and for example here you can sell 50%, 70%, or even 100% of your position, or just is based on your goals. You can hold your old position and decide to get out from Opendoor stock at 48 price, just selling all your 100% position. But the higher goal, the higher risk, of course. That's it. But it could be possible. So first thing, we reach this goal. The second here. the third one will be here, and the next one will be continuously 10.16 in post market right now. Do we want to buy Opendoor? It is not a good idea, absolutely not good idea, because price has been go and priced on the global high, local and global high. Yes, the globally it's not to the all-time high yet, but it's globally too expensive to buy right now. What to buy instead? Okay, you can buy another alternative stock like Butterfly Networks. Yes, this is health technology and medical specialties. And but by the way, this stock also in the beautiful accumulation. Look on this, and the price still cheap. Yes, even it's 2 times expensive than this point. But however, you can make your first order in current price and wait to the all-time high around 1700%. But what if you buy on these points like here? Of course your profit will be almost 2 times higher. Look, 3400%, and here this one is 1700%. So it's difference, right? Big difference. Yes, but what to do? So you are buying now and waiting. If the price will crash here, you are buying it again. But if the price will come up, then you already bought here, and you are not worried that you didn't invest it in the first order. That's it. Look, the price chart is similar. Like butterfly is going up here and then crash, crash. Here is accumulation, go up, crash here. So this is accumulation. The open stock here, the similar thing, go up, then crash, go down, accumulation here, and go up. So it's little bit similar, right? If you don't like butterfly, okay, no problem. You can watch about Vidmaps, VM technology stock, and this stock is also similar one, like go up then crash like this, and here is the accumulation. In my opinion, this is pretty big potential to grow. But by the way, please keep in mind that this stock is already expensive, like how much percent? It's around 45%, but it's cheaper than butterfly stock, of course. But if you've never invested yet in the stock, you can make your first order in current price and make sure that you are ready. In the case of crash here, you can buy it again. Okay? But no, a lot of people are buying the stock when the stock is in skyrocketing. Not right now, because right now it's not interesting. Right now it's not needed. Right now there is no grow, and people are not buying, of course. Open stock is growing, of course, and for people it's psychologically easy to buy this stock because they see the growing and they think that growing will be continue unlimited time. It's always growing. There is no crash. They think about optimistic without a brain, just they are turning on emotions and turning off brain, and they are starting invest in the stock when it's already 1700% expensive, by the way. So alright guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Feel free to join to my Telegram channel. Here is the link, and feel free to watch my other videos. The last video that I made about synopsis after crash that happened in yesterday, and you can see in other videos. Alright guys, now I am saying you see you in the next video. Hold your positions is based on your goals. If you want to sell, you can sell. If you are waiting to the all-time high, then you hold your position and be patient guys. And again, here look, the volumes are pretty high. The volumes increased here, and it is pretty good in my opinion again. And if I connect to the 15-minute time frame, we can see the volumes here is increased and the volume is not decreased. I think the growing could be continued, but before that it could be crush, accumulation here and then go up. It is possible. There's a different scenarios that could be possible. Alright guys, now I'm saying you see you in the next video and bye bye.